This is Ready for Takeoff by Raquel Welch in the color RL1923SS or Shaded Biscuit. She starts with a darker root and then moves into some lighter blonde pieces with the lightest at the ends. She does come with a zigzag part, but you can easily change up that part because she has a mono top here. You can change that part wherever you want along the top section here. She does have that beautiful lace front that allows for that natural hairline. She is heat-friendly synthetic fiber with these longer bangs in the front that you can bring forward or lift up for some volume. She has fun little layers throughout, a great feminine cut, and I'll give you a little look around. Ready for Takeoff comes in many different colors, and with her heat-friendly synthetic fiber, feel free to style her with a low-heat tool or enjoy this beautiful style right out of the box. Give you a little look around the cap construction. Here's a look at that lace front section all along here, nice and thick in the middle there to give you that natural hairline. This is the mono top section here where you can get that nice natural part all through there. She is 100% hand-tied base all through here, which means you get a beautiful natural density throughout this piece and great movement. This is a look at the felt ear tabs with a little bit of wire in them for a secure, comfortable fit. This is a look at the felt tab at the nape of the neck with these adjustable tabs here so you can get a custom secure fit. Ready for Takeoff by Raquel Welch is available to shop now at hairweavon.com.